again, everybody. Today we were gonna talk about parents, these beautiful people that put us on this planet. First of all, dear parents, thank you for buying us things, for teaching us to eat, to take care of ourselves. Big thank you to all the parents of dancers, because you do triple job. You have to take us to practice, to wash even more clothes, to buy, to pay things, to take us traveling, to sit with us when we cry after a bad result. All the things that you do, dancers' parents, even bigger thank you. If you don't have sense of humor, it's better that you put off the video, because I'm a little bit worried to hurt your feelings. Anyway, for all the rest of the people who have a good sense of humor, we will make fun from parents today. Now let's start. Which type of parents do we know? We have the philosophic parent.
Mom, I didn't pass the round.
Oh honey, the most important is to participate, not to win. You are never good enough parent.
Mom, look, I won.
Yeah, but you didn't get all first places.
But I won.
So what? You also didn't smile. Have the psychologist.
How did I dance?
How did you feel about your dancing? I can see some tension. The economist. This dancing, so much money. For what? Lessons, travels. I don't understand. So much money for what? The feeding parent. Julia, take a banana. Come on, you have to eat something. Eat a banana. You cannot dance like this. You will be weak. Come on. So, take a sandwich. Take a sandwich. Take some chocolate. Huh? Take some chocolate and crackers. Come on, Julia, you have to eat, huh? Oh, very good. The angry parent.
Mom, look, I won.
You won? Look, how did you dance? Look at his hair. Go to practice. I don't want to see you. Shame to be my daughter. The I prefer to lie than hurt your feelings parent.
Mom, I finished last.
Honey, but you danced the best, and you were the most talented on the floor. Everybody was looking just at you.
Why was I last then?
The suspicious parent. You did better than this couple. I saw the judges talking to each other. These results are all tricked. Let me go talk to someone. The I cannot stop talking about my baby parent. My little girl is the most beautiful and she is the most talented. Did you see how she smiled? Did you see how she walked? She's just like me when I was her age. The I know better than the trainer parent. Julia, this is not okay, huh? Your feet are not straight at all. I talked to your trainer and he doesn't understand nothing. Your body is too stiff. I don't understand what they teach you. And look at this, all the powder, all terrible. Like, tomorrow I come on the lesson and I will tell to your teacher. I will teach you if he doesn't know to teach you. The rich parent. How much does it cost to get the first place? The over-emotional parent.
Mom, how did I dance? Mom,
You go up so fast.
you are embarrassing me. Mom, stop!
The protective parent. Julia, who is this couple that hit you on the floor? Huh? Who is this? Let's go to talk to their mom. The competitive parent. I checked. Everybody today. I know everybody. I know all the judges. We can win today. You just have to give your maximum. The careless parent.
Mom, how did I dance?
It was nice, it was nice.
Mom, did you see me?
Yeah, of course I saw you. Now let me finish reading, huh? Go practice, go. The I hate dancing parent. It's not even a sport. I understand running, I understand football, but this is not a sport, because I danced many times and you don't get tired even. That's it. I hope I said all of the parents today. Yeah, my parents were in between too. If you are a dancer, share the video, kiss your parents every day and tell them thank you, because of them you are here and you are where you are and you do what you are. So yes, tell them thank you. Kiss them every day, let them know you love them. Thank you so much for watching. Did you have fun?
Yes.
See you next time.
Ciao, bye bye.